Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. It's another video. We're in the kitchen, so obviously it's a cooking video. Well, to be honest, it's really not cooking because I'm making some stew with some ground beef. But before that, I like to do an appetizer, which is basically just something to eat while I'm cooking because you know, girl be hungry. The first course of the 3-course meal. Yeah, it's called salad or soup, then entree, then dessert. This is the beginning. This is just regular salad. You can just buy it. Everything is good. This is how I make my salads. Usually I make it with boiled egg, but today we're not gonna do that because like I don't wanna wait anymore. I'm hungry. So this is organic girl, good clean greens. This is baby kale spring mix. I like kale. So anything with kale in it, I love it. I wash the greens prior. You always have to wash your greens. Wash your greens because you don't know what be going into it. You really don't. So what I do is I take the stem off. I put it in here. Always take the stems off. Why? Because I don't like stems. I like leafy greens, but I don't like the stem. So this has like, stem goes with the green. So keep it right there. Just putting stuff in this. I take up some onions that are chopped up. Just some diced up onions. Because I love, and they're raw too, because I love onions. I use some of that in my meat that I have on the stove. Just regular ground beef with some onions in it. Then some cheddar cheese, some sharp cheddar cheese. I like to sprinkle that on top of the salad. Mix it together. A little bit more. A little cheese in the salad. Then I put some of my homemade salad dressing. That is no more. I have to make more and reuse this, or I could reuse the sauce bottle that I have. But yeah, that's it. That's the salad. Let's taste. So I had some extra meat, so I put some extra meat in here. Let's put some meat in the salad, right? For the meat, I used garlic pepper seasoning, Lawry's, you guys know, seasoned salt, and onion powder. Now let's taste with some of the meat. Pretty good. Easy, quick salad. And to be honest, what I do, I don't do a really a 3-course meal. I literally eat this, then do errands. Then I come back and I'm like so tired and everything else, and it's dinner time. So then I have my entree ready. So then I eat dinner. Then after that, I have a midnight snack, which is my dessert. So I make everything right now, and then I go about my day. But first, while I'm making everything, I eat a salad to fill me up. So this is like an easy, quick salad to fill you up. You got everything. Got your meat, got your cheese, got your onions, and got your sauce, and got some cheesiness. If you don't like cheese in your salads, you don't have to eat cheese with the salad. If you want to know what dressing, I made it like a vinegary type of dressing, but what comes close is either like, because it's like kind of balsamic, so a little bit of balsamic vinaigrette with the Olive Garden dressing. So mix that together and then you get my homemade dressing. I mean, what is similar to my homemade dressing, but it's not it, because I wanted to have that flavor the Olive Garden with a little bit balsamic, but I didn't want to keep on buying both of them, so I just made my own, which lasted me like a while. It lasted me for like a whole month. Lasted me for a whole month, and now it's gone. But that's it for this cooking video. Video right here, right here. Go check them out. Go check them out. Woo!